Guys, this is how you make cookie dough.
So here are the ingredients that are needed. First, we got 4 cups of brown sugar, and then we have 2 tablespoons of butter, and then 1/8 teaspoon of salt, 1/8 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of milk, 5 tablespoons of flour, and 2 tablespoons of chocolate chips. So first what you're gonna do is just add in the brown sugar into your bowl. You're also gonna need some forks. Very nice, very nice. And boom. All right, it's a lot of brown sugar. It's okay.
It's fine.
So,
you okay?
Yep. And then we're gonna add in our butter and make sure it is softened. Okay, this butter's not buttering. Move, please. And yeah, we're just gonna mix that in. Next, we're going to need a pinch of salt. Boom.
Okay.
And a tad bit of vanilla. Just like that. Okay, now
Add the milk.
Boom, chocolate.
Yeah.
I think I did too much brown sugar. And now we're just gonna keep mixing it and mixing it until it's all combined.
Yep.
All right, now you're just gonna add in your flour, just like so. And then keep mixing. And now that it's all mixed together, we have all the dough. So all you need to do is add in the chocolate chips, and then and then we'll bleep that out.
Yeah,
but yeah, now you just gotta mix it all in. And that is it.
This is the finished product. It should look like this.
Oh, yum. I'm not.